We've taken 600 million years of nature's work to fossilize her living carbon.
Vandana Shiva, a physicist, ecologist, activist, and author, renowned for her tireless defense of the environment. She founded Navdanya, a movement dedicated to biodiversity conservation and farmers' rights, and the Research Foundation for Science, Technology, and Natural Resource Policy. A staunch advocate against corporate control, she fights for intellectual property rights, biodiversity, and sustainable farming. Her influential writings, such as Staying Alive, Biopiracy, and Water Wars, have shaped global environmental discourse, recognized globally. She has received numerous awards, including the Right Livelihood Award and the Sydney Peace Prize, celebrate the contributions of Vandana Shiva, a true guardian of nature, as we approach Environment Day.